Hello everyone, welcome to Moses the Computer Genius channel. Today I'm going to teach you Excel, but particularly I'm going to teach you about how to insert the missing rows. Okay, now what we do, we go to start, we type Excel, then we open the Excel program. We just open a blank workbook. So here what we're going to do, let us have, I have these names like Fred, I have Isaac, I have Grace, I have Neo, I have Rio, I have Joe, I have Christine. Now in adding these names, I have discovered that I had to add another row under these names, and that row will be for adding contact numbers for them. So in most cases, some people, what they say they do, they just keep on adding them manually from here. Like for example, they select the second column, the second row, and they say insert. Okay, now the easiest way, I'm going to show you the easiest way to do that without wasting time. What we do here, you just press the control button from your keyboard and you click on the entire row. You click on all of them. Okay, now here what you do, you right click on the second row and you say insert. Okay, now this one is telling us that we have, okay, you say, you right click and say insert. Okay, let us resect it again. Okay, okay, you right click. Okay, as you can see, our names have been, we have got extra rows under these names where we can put extra information to detail what we are trying to do. Thank you guys. That is today's lesson. It was how to insert extra columns, no, extra rows under the existing columns. Like let us say maybe you have like 100 entries, you have made 100 entries and there's no space, there's no other columns, other rows under those existing rows. The easiest way to do is to do the same way we have done here. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.